Okay, so I've gone through and I've updated the plugins. I seem to have an issue with Updraft Plus for some reason. Not sure why, but we can try and reinstall that one now. It says the plugin file does not exist. Let's have a look. So we'll go into Add New. And I am going to try and reload it. Now, it may not let me if the file exists in the CPanel file manager. It's not going to let me, but I'm going to give it a go because it's a good plugin that I do recommend. There are other ones, but I like this one because it's maintained, and a lot of others aren't. Let's have a look. Updraft Plus. Here we go. I'm going to give this a go. You can tell it's a popular plugin because it's got 2+ million active installs, and it was last updated 3 weeks ago. So you know it's a good bet from those, from that alone. All right, let's have a look. So that's installing. Hopefully it won't take too long. Okay, so installation failed. All right, so I'm actually going to, and that's because the destination folder is already there. So what I can do, and I can demonstrate this for you actually. Let's demonstrate it. So I am going to go in to my host, and I'm going to give you an impromptu demonstration I didn't plan on doing, but we can do it anyway. So this particular site is with, let me think, this one I think is actually with Inno hosting. So we'll go in there and let me see which one will let me. Let's try this one. So I'm going to go into the back end, the hosting end, and I'm going to find that file and I'm going to delete it. And then it will allow me to reinstall that particular plugin. So let's have a look at that for everybody. If you're watching this on the replay, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you have any comments, please leave those in the comment box below. I will be repurposing this content and sending it out in various different forms, so watch this space. I will sign out now. Thanks so much for everybody who watched, and I will see you again next week. See you later. Bye-bye.